Good afternoon, friends. Today I'll discuss with you cleaning chemical and their characteristics. It is very much important for any housekeeper to know the characteristic of the chemical so that they can protect themselves from its hazardous effect. But before discussing, there are some important components that need to be discussed, and through these we can understand the chemical of housekeeping cleaning and its characteristics. So the important components of these topics are cleaning chemicals, their uses, pH level, characteristics, effects. So in this topic we will discuss about all these points elaborately. So pH is the power of hydrogen. pH is a scale used to specify the acidity or alkaline of a chemical, that is the basicity. Most cleaning chemicals are alkaline because these are the chemical good in cleaning dirt, grease, oily stain and organics. Acids are more effective when working on minerals like rust, spots and chemical buildups. Let's understand the pH. pH is a scale of 0 to 14 where 0 to 6 is acidic, 7 is neutral, alkaline is 8 to 14. At the center 7 is there, which is neutral. The color denotes green. Acidic 0 to 6 color denotes red. Alkaline color denotes purple. So here in the scale, for your easy understanding, you can see 0 to 5 and 6 are acidic. As the scale go down, the acidity of the chemical increases further, and as the scale goes up, the alkaline of the chemical increases further. One cleaning chemical used in housekeeping with alkaline nature are cleaning detergents, glass cleaning chemical, carpet cleaner or oily stain removal, upholstery sofa cleaner, carbon remover, metal cleaner, brasso for brass, copper, zinc cleaning, leather or resin degreaser. The common alkaline chemical which most of the housekeeping related persons knows. So I will not take the brand name of any chemical, but you understand that the cleaning detergent which uses is cleaning of floor and walls, their pH level stands from 9 to 14. These are alkaline in nature, and more exposure to these chemical can cause irritation. So housekeeping and cleaning staff are recommended to use gloves, mask properly while using these chemicals. Glass cleaning chemical, this is also alkaline in nature, and the pH level stands from 7 stands to 7.5. For carpet cleaning, pH level stands 9 to 10. For upholstery sofa cleaner, pH level stands 6 to 7. Carbon remover chemical, these are basically used for kitchen utensils cleaning where the carbon deposits. So the pH level stands here 11 to 14, and nature is alkaline. Metal cleaner, pH level 9 to 10. Leather, resin degreaser, the pH level is 6 to 7.5, and the degreaser's role is to remove dirt from the leather surface or resin surface, and then you can polish that with the moisturizer for this shining of that resin or leather. So here we have discussed about the characteristic and effects, and all the chemicals. For using any chemicals, the precaution is important. And in carbon remover, you can see the serious eye damage can also happen, the corrosiveness can also happen. So use the chemical proactively, keep it away from the reach of children. Now we will discuss the common cleaning chemical used in housekeeping with acidic nature. These are WC ball cleaning chemical, which is used for only WC ball cleaning. pH level is 3. Nature acidic. Characters and effective is the corrosiveness. Furniture maintainer. pH level is 5. Nature acidic, used for wooden surface and wooden cupboards and drawers, etc. cleaning. Hard stain remover, descaler, which is an important part, and it is used in removal of dust and heavy scaling from the taps and other fixtures fittings. The acidic level are higher here. The pH level is 1.5 here, so this is more acidic, can cause burn and eye damage. So gloves, mask, cape, goggles are recommended to use while cleaning. Floor polisher, usually they have 1.5 to 2 pH level, acidic in nature. Room freshener are a neutral chemical. So this topic I have covered to aware you about the characteristic and effects of chemical, and normally many of the housekeeping personnel use chemical without any PPE, so they should not do it. They should wear the proper protection, and the housekeeping manager and supervisor should also be aware of for guiding and training their housekeepers, the cleaning staff, to for their safety in work. Thank you.